Hey folks, it's Simon here with your Tao Daily for Wednesday, the 19th of February 2025. New all-time high for the S&P 500, closed at a new all-time high. It was a quiet day. We're only up 0.3%, but enough to close at a new all-time high. Now, I've already read some posts on social media bemoaning the lack of breadth, all right? And the thing that people are pointing to is the fact that there's only 53% of stocks trading above their 50-day moving average. Remember, the 50-day moving average is your line in the sand between a medium-term uptrend and a medium-term downtrend. So if you're a glass half empty kind of person, yeah, you might look at that and say, only half the stocks are participating in this rally. It's not real. It's going to fail. If you're a glass half full kind of person like me, you'd look at this and say, well, this is actually bullish because look how much further this has got to run. There's a whole bunch of other stocks that could potentially play catch up. Now, look what happens when the percentage of stocks trading above their 50-day moving average gets around 70. All right, do you see a pattern here? When this number peaks, the market usually peaks around about that time as well. All right, so I don't know that seeing a figure of 70 would necessarily make me super bullish right here, but seeing a figure of 50 looks okay. All right, so we're going to see things like RSP, the equally weighted S&P 500 index, underperform, but it's got the potential to play catch up. If we look at it, the advanced decline line, which is another common barometer of market breadth, that's at a new all-time high as well. All right, so I'm not concerned about breadth here. What about the Nasdaq? If we look at the Qs, the ETF that tracks the Nasdaq, that is at a new all-time high as well. If we look at triple QE, which is the equally weighted Nasdaq, that is actually outperforming. This is really breaking out to new highs in a demonstrative fashion. So that's bullish. Now the Mag 7 here as a group, they're really not doing too much, okay? So what is driving the performance of the Nasdaq and particularly the triple QE? Well, it's a bunch of mid-cap tech stocks. PLTR is the top of the list. And by the way, this is a list of stocks you want to have on your radar and look for pullback buy opportunities in. But we've got PLTR, we've got APP has been on fire. Intel has been crushing it this year. Not a great looking chart, but up 16% on Tuesday. That's not bad. CrowdStrike would be another one. Pinduoduo would be another one. Team, Atlassian. It's even had a little pullback. Maybe that one's worth a look. DoorDash, it's been crushing it. Starbucks has had a great run. We've got Meta, which is in the Magnificent Seven. We've got stocks like Fortinet. So these are the stocks that's driving the performance in triple QE and really kind of helping push the Nasdaq to new all-time highs, even when the Mag 7 as a group looking pretty sluggish. That's what I got for you today, folks. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you next time. Thank you.